Hello class 5, good morning to everyone. Welcome to your science online class. Today we are at the end of the chapter. We will do the last part, that is the exercise, rest and posture. Besides eating a balanced diet and remaining clean, you also need to exercise regularly to maintain health. This is very important, eating good food and working hard, everything is all okay, but taking rest and doing exercise for your good health is equally important, just like eating good food. So how much you are exercising for your body, for your physical fitness, and how much time you are spending for relaxation and taking rest and leisure time is also important. Exercise makes your muscles grow strong. Exercise also makes our inner organs such as the heart and lungs stronger. So if you exercise hard, then it will help you to develop your muscles and it will make your heart strong. Lack of exercises makes your muscles weak and flabby. Flabby means with huge muscles and fat. Flabby means not firm, hanging, loose skin type. Okay, when you gather lot of fat in your body. Extra fat will accumulate in your body and make you overweight and unhealthy. So if you do not exercise, if you do not go to gym, and if you do not practice well, then what will happen? Your body will gather more and more fat and you will be overweight. Means according to the age, your weight will be more and you will feel unhealthy. Your body needs rest to recover and carry out repairs. So you, along with the work, your body needs rest, and to recover your illness or recover your tiredness, you must take rest. You should get at least 8 hours of sleep every night so that you can wake up fresh and ready for the next day. So in a particular day, in a 24-hour, at least 6 to 8 hours is very important for you to take rest, so that in the next day when you get up from your bed, you get the full energy to work and whatever studies, or those who used to go to office, or those who used to go to school, like the person, whatever work they will do excuse me, they will get the full energy, so that you can wake up fresh and ready for the next day. Now in the next day you need to work a lot, you have to work hard, so for that you need energy, and only eating food will not help you. If you do not get the energy to work, then you will feel sick and tired. So rest and eating food and exercise, all these are very important for your health. Exercise and rest help the body to be healthy. Now posture. Posture means position when you are sitting or you are walking or you are sleeping, whatever it may be. The posture is equally important. Sometimes you will see, if you fall asleep in a different way, after you get up you feel pain in your hand or in your leg or at your back. It happens to everyone. During sleeping sometimes our hands are tilted, and then after getting up we see that there is a huge pain in our neck or in hand. That's a very common one. So what it is telling, that the correct posture is very important. In addition to exercise and rest, good posture is important too. So a correct posture when you are sitting, when you are talking, when you are standing, when you are sleeping, each and every phase you need to take a good posture. Posture is the position of your body. Always sit, stand and walk straight. This is good for your bones and muscles. So whenever you are sitting, you should sit straight. Whenever you are standing, you should stand straight. And when you are walking, you should not bend. Okay? Slouching means sitting, standing or walking with a body bent. Haunch means haunching or slouching. When you are making your body in front, you are not in a straight posture, is bad for your body. So slouching means when you are bending your body, and that is very bad for your health. Now once we will go to the, this is all about the exercise, all about the chapter. We will go to a short discussion on the short questions of the exercise. Question A, multiple choice question. Which of these is are an energy giving food? So options you have to see. The answer will be bread. Number 2, which of this is not a method of fruit preservation? C. The answer will be C. Baking. Which of this is spread by mosquito? So jaundice, chickenpox, dengue and measles. So you have to tick dengue. Iodine deficiency disease is goiter. Now, question number B, match the words in two columns. See column A and column B. Column A, 1 carbohydrate, energy giving food. Roughage is F, cannot be digested. Dengue is connected with mosquito. Night blindness is lack of vitamin A disease, and ricket finally is vitamin C. Now, question number C in the same page. Bodybuilding food, protein, the substance added to a food preserves spoilage, preservation, a disease that spread from sick person to a healthy person, infectious disease, and a chemical used to kill germs, insecticides. DC, unscramble the letter to form word. What you have to do here, you have to take out the main word which is written over here. The words are scrambled, they are jumbled up. You have to arrange the water. See, number 1 is carbohydrate. Number 2 is communicable. Number 3 is disease. And number 4 is immunization. So these are all about the objective questions in the book. When we will do the live class, we will again discuss. So that is all for today. We have finished the chapter. Next we will start your second syllabus for the unit 1, that is the living things, that we will start in the next day. Thank you.